Hi guys, now I'm in the Latasi playground. You can see this. There are some stalls out here. These are some stalls. Yes, the Streaks has put some stalls here now. And also Amul, the famous milk brand from India, has their stalls out here. You can see there are some closed stalls because it is the last day of the entire Bihu celebration. Already it is the fourth day right now, and I hope this is the end of the Bihu festival. And you might see the crowd has decreased a bit. Yesterday it was mostly a very high crowded, and also because of the pandemic still going on in progress, the crowd has become decreased, and the people has become somewhat cautious to attend such gatherings, as the pandemic rate in Guwahati or in the Assam area has continuously increasing day by day. This is it, and there are some frankly small jewelries out here. There are some small shops out here. You can see this. There are some small shops for like bangles or earrings. You can find this out here. There are also some steel products out here. It's a total market of everything. You can have a look out here. This is the thing. There are some people coming from many far places and doing business out here. Keep looking, guys. This is one of the street stalls which is only feasible in this brand occasion. You won't find these stalls right now or anywhere except in Durga Puja or in the famous Bihu festivals. These are some small stalls. They are all paid stalls. Nothing is free out here. Most probably these are some shops here. Have a look. These are some drink shop as well. Have you heard about Pani Puri, or in Assamese we used to tell Puchka? Yes, I will tell you about this type, how it's made or what's the style of making in our next video. These are some children park like situation out here, and some seat stops. Like the famous chanas are also available. I have seen a guy who I know. These are some stalls. Let me take you closer to the restaurants, the small type of restaurants that are not a total restaurant out here. There are some fancy products like teacups, mugs, like for pickle bottles available out here. You can see some wonderful decorative items being sold out here, all handmade, I hope, and clearly depicted. There are some wooden items which I would like to show you, but it's far inside. There are some items here. You can see these items. These are made of mud or painted in a glassware. So these are some good products. Have a look. The situation is really crazy, but yes, there is less number of crowd at present because of the pandemic still going on. I hope the crowd increases, but it's not a situation like never before. I have been here for the last 28 years of my survival, but nothing is such like that, because as the pandemic is going on increasingly, the crowd is decreasing, and this is what is going on within the city of Guwahati and also the northeastern part of India. These are restaurants. There is less number of presence of crowds. Like there were some crowds in the previous 2 days, but as if this is the last day or the last event in the city, you can find nowhere in the city there is a Bihu, like a stage performance at present is going on. It is only the Guwahati Bihu Sammilani is conducting this specially for Bihu Samragi, which I told you that Bihu Samragi is like a Bihu Empress. She is going to be a Bihu Empress. There are many participants who are going to take part in this competition, and I hope you will like this. There are some rules and regulations to get participated in this event. It's not open for all. The married can't participate in this event. Only the bachelors or the beautiful girls can only participate. Just the beauty of Assam, and that's awesome Assam actually. And I hope when the event starts, I will give you a live show of everything what is going on near about, and I hope that the crowd increases, as because this is the last day and you won't find such kind of event in the entire Northeast. Rest next you will find some Bihu Bohagi Bidai. Like Bohagi Bidai means the season Bohag is going to end, and this is how it goes on. The Assam culture, the festive, the awesome ethnic food. Let me take you some food if it's available. Mostly the Chinese foods are available out here. I am looking at the Chinese foods as the people of Assam get used to the Chinese foods, and there are some foods out here really interesting. These are some cooked steamed food. Have a look. These are some steamed food. This is pork. This is prawn. This is the larger prawn. This is which is available in the ponds or rivers. These are some chicken pieces, like not a proper tandoori, but this is smoked one. These are some ethnic northeastern food, which you will find within the city of Guwahati and also the northeastern part of India. I hope this video will give you an immense blow to your mind. These are some Chinese foods, like you can find some chow chow out here, and some fried chicken, and also some fried puri, I think. Yeah, these are some mixture of like, as I have told you before, we have accepted the Western civilization a lot, and also as China and Nepal is nearby, so we have adopted their kind of food as well. As this is a Chinese food, but we have accepted this food for a very long time, and I am also a great fan of Chinese food. And there are some rice items are here. These rice items, maybe they are made for some fried rice items, like you can find chicken fried rice, veg fried rice. There are very varieties of fried rice available, or you might taste such kind of fried rice even within the city or around the northeastern part, or also if you visit the southern part of India, their fried rice are like somewhat less tastier than the northeastern fried rice, because our fried rice are far more spicy, as we like spicy food. If you visit some village, or what I'm going to tell you, the village life is also awesome. When I will make you to visit a village, I will definitely show you what's the ethnic food, or the style, or the lifestyle, or the culture, what they are having in their mind, or what they are giving a progress to what's us and what is our culture demands of. There are also some stalls, like you can find chips, the local items like supari, which is betel nut, which is cautious to your lungs or kidney. But yes, this is very famous among the gents, and the ladies don't prefer this too much. But yeah, this is a small market near and around the Lotus Hill playground, the beautiful Lotus Hill playground, which I grew up from my childhood. I played cricket down here, I played football down here. There's a pitch. I think that pitch is ruined right now because of the high crowded people coming from all around the city. And this is it. Let me give you a brief view about what's Bihu Homragi, or what is Bihu, the awesome Bihu of awesome Assam. Let me take you forward to that.